this is Lisa from SewArty. Pleased to meet you, nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's the first time. Anyway, today we are going to be doing cards. Yeah, so we're doing these ones today. It was this one we're making. I think we're making this one. I also did a few more, and I used a product called Angelina Fibres. Now I found this at a craft event and my friend recommended it to me, and all you have to do is loads and loads and loads of different colours, and you can mix them together. They're quite clever, so you can make something really individual. So and also I also was lucky enough, beebeecraft got in contact with me again, and they wanted me to choose some products that they wanted me to try out. So I got these embellishments, so these were sent to me for free, so I was very lucky about that. I also used stamps, different sorts of stamps. So a little stamp sheet. I used this stamp sheet. I think I got this from Amazon actually. Yeah, I think I did get it from Amazon for quite cheap, and lots of different sayings on it. So these are what Angelina Fibres look like. There we go. They look like this. You just pull them apart and then you can actually mix them together. Instructions for it. Angelina. Amazing Angelina, actually. Can I just say amazing Angelina? There we go. Got these. It's not bad, is it? So I did an unboxing of a video for beebeecraft, and I just thought I'd better following it up. So up here, one of these is an information card which will take you to the unboxing. I also have a playlist of beebeecraft because I've used quite a lot of their products. There's a playlist either there or there. I'm not quite sure. Is it there or is it there? There'll be an information. I think it's here actually. I think it's here. If you look at it, if you were on YouTube right now, would it be there or there? I think it'd be. Just trying to work out, so it's either here or it's here. I'm sure I'll sort that out on editing my videos, and I'm waffling right now. So here's my video of how I did my greeting cards. Thank you. So hello, this is a 6x4 card I think I used, and these are the embellishments I have got from beebeecraft. So these are the Angelina Fibres, all different colours, and then you can just use them in one colour, or you can just mix them lots of colours. And I just mixed two colours together. So it's just a case of prizing the Angelina Fibres together, which is what you can see I'm doing here, and just grouping them all together into a little pile. And then I used a baking liner, folded it over, and with a hot iron I pressed it down. So it's just a case now of seeing if it fits on the 6x4 card, and as you can see it's probably a little bit too big. So it's just a case of, you can do it in many ways. This way I just did a pair of scissors and I just cut straight lines all around the edge, which is quite nice and effective. And just see if it fits my card. You can reuse the Angelina Fibres on another pattern, but as you can see it fits quite nicely. So it's just a case of using double-sided sellotape, this is really good stuff. I use this for most of my projects, and it is quite lovely to use. So it's just a case of peeling back the stickers and sticking it on the card. The next bit's the fun bit, is to putting the embellishments on, and you need a glue gun for that. You can't use a double-sided sticky tape because it's too, you need something a bit stronger. So use your glue gun if you've got one, and just go around the edges. That's all I did, and just pop it on the middle. So next bit's nice and easy. It's a stamp set that I got from Amazon, and it's just a case of making sure there's enough ink on the stamp, and it's easy then just to pop it on this card, and it makes a lovely little extra. So here's the next one, and just the same way as I did the first one really. I just use a lighter blue and the same white. Bunch it all together, fold over the baking liner. Also I got that from Amazon as well, and put it between the two sheets of baking liner, and then just press it down. Nice and easy. The iron does need to be quite hot for this. Cut the little bits of ends instead of just cutting straight lines all around it. It's quite a nice little effect. It's a little bit more natural, as you can see. I did a few more, as you can see, but thanks for watching my video, and hopefully you'll come back soon. Bye for now.